How to increase font size on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font size for Messenger on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as display. And now here, once you are inside the display, simply scroll down and look for the option that says font size and style. And once you found that, simply tap on it. And now here in this option at the bottom, you can see a slider. So just drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the font size. I will move it just a bit to right to make the text larger. And now if I go back and open the Messenger app, you'll notice that the text is now bigger and easier to read. And that's it. That's how you can increase the font size on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.